Coloring. What's that? Apple. What is the color of apple?
Apples.
What is the color?
It's red.
Red. Very good. What is the next of that? What is the color of leaves? Green. Wow, very good naman mag-color ni Yaya. Galing-galing naman ni Yaya mag-color. Wow. Oh, this one pa, oh, the other. Wow, apple. You eat apple? You want apple? Wow, it's so yummy. Red. Okay, the other one pa, this one. Okay. Okay.
Alam mo ang lahat ng bagay at
Wow.
sa inyong kapangyarihan.
Galing-galing naman mag-color ni Yaya.
May pananalig sa
Mommy.
pangako na naman ang aming
What you want?
sa pamagitan ni Kristo na may pananampalataya tayong ipagkakaloob. Lalo't na kung ito'y para sa ikabubuti ng
The next is color red for the leaves.
sa inyo ngayon, Panginoon. Pinibigay ng inyong biyaya ng pagpapakatawan,
Very good, Yaya.
isip,
Mommy is
karamdam at kaluluwa.
What?
Ipuin mo kaming
Wow, tinamad na po. Tinamad na po si Yaya.
kagalingan at
Mami na po yung inutusan ni Yaya mag-color. What's the next? You get the color red. Ay, the color green. I'm sorry. The green for the leaves. Yum. You get the color red. Ay, green. Come on. Ha?